Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the adapter is a capture device, not just a cable. That matters because capture devices digitize video. Once done, power the adapter if it needs external power, then plug the HDMI source into the adapter and connect the USB to your computer. Make sure the computer recognizes new hardware. On Windows, look for Device Manager. On Mac, check System Report. This immediate connection gets the signal flowing, so the next step, software setup, can read the input. Now you open your capture software and select the adapter as the video input, because software routing controls what is recorded. Then set resolution and frame rate, use native source resolution when possible, and choose 30 or 60 FPS depending on content. Higher FPS increases CPU load. Make sure audio is enabled and mapped correctly. If audio is missing, toggle the device in software and check operating system permissions. Once configured, do a short test recording to confirm sync and quality before longer sessions. You're ready to record or stream. Start the capture and watch the preview window to monitor latency and dropped frames. Choose file format like MP4 or MKV and set bitrate to balance quality and file size. Higher bitrate improves detail but needs more bandwidth. When you finish, stop recording and verify the file plays back cleanly. If you get no signal, check cables and USB power, update drivers. And remember, HDCP-protected content may not capture. This single troubleshooting step resolves many failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.